So the basic lighting is, I have set, but I have to do some detailing on it. Like the sky is a very flat right now, so I want to add a little bit this kind of a bit lighter bit on the PG. Yeah, looks good. Okay, and more is okay. This is looks very. So I will add something over here. Anirudh, we don't have any question, right? Left.
No,
Right?
no question.
चलो ठीक है. So I'm not doing that much detailing on this stuff because uh, we can spend as much hour as possible for detailing more detailing. So this is a very basic stuff, and as per the time we have, uh, so I'm going to add this area. So let me check my drawing once. What I did in my drawing? Okay, I have a canopy and I have a stair there. Okay, and I have a door there. Okay, I have some banners there. Okay, I have some foliage there, some grasses also there. So I will incorporate that also. Okay, ठीक है.